Oh.
You don't have to be in it if you don't want to. You can just sit with me.
Hello.
So today's video is going to be a get ready with me for Coachella with my worst enemies of life. My besties. This is Laura and this is Holly. You've obviously seen them many times before. We just figured we would sit down, get ready, and show you guys our makeup looks. I'm going to do that. I was wearing a...
Wait, what are you guys using for a mirror?
I'm just going to use one of my palettes.
This is the... Yeah. I gave it to my sister and I stole it.
Okay, so I'm not gonna like show every single thing that we do with our makeup just because otherwise the video is gonna be quite long. So I think we'll I'll show you little bits and pieces as we go, and people might be leaving and coming and there might be a bit of noise in the background, so just bear with us because we're in a house full of 8 people right now. Cardia and Josh are in their rooms right now getting ready.
Holly's getting changed in the background.
Is she?
Yeah.
Nick's somewhere.
Singlet.
And then we have Ashton and Will out the front in their RV as well. So it's a madhouse, I tell you. And today is our first day. So we're feeling fresh. We have... Fresh! I feel like... Yeah, terrible.
Oh, no.
And we are... Holly and I, that's one way to do it. Holly and I are getting our makeup done, our hair done by Emma Chen. That'll be so good because Emma is amazing and I can't wait to have my hair done because I'm not good with my hair, so.
What foundation are you using?
I'm using Too Faced and then a Beauty Blender one. I didn't have any ones dark enough, so I said,
oh my god, guys, look! My concealer got smashed.
Oh,
my stuff did too. Is that spat to still use?
No, it'll be fine. Just do it really like lightly so that you don't like put glass in your face.
Does anyone know?
This is my first get ready with me with people on my channel. How do you guys feel?
Honored.
Scared. Scared. Laura's funny because like I feel like you guys probably have seen Holly and Daisy a lot, but every time I turn the camera on, Laura like bolts. Like she doesn't ever come in it, so
camera shy.
So what looks are you guys doing? I'm just doing my like normal everyday.
I'm very confused. I have no idea.
Because you usually have some ideas. Like sometimes you
have an idea for the last day. That's about it.
Is that the dark look?
Oh, that's the dark look. Yeah, I'm gonna do a wing, but then today I think I'm just gonna do like a bronzy normal look.
But you should do something with peach because Holly's wearing something with like heaps of colour.
I think I'm gonna do like really rosy pinky cheek, like peachy cheeks. Even though I think I forgot my rosy pinky blush.
Oh no, yeah, I don't have blush.
I have blush. I have the best blush. Wait, is this the same colour as me or too light?
Do you want the same colour?
I have a darker foundation. Oh, it's probably light.
Darker for you though.
It'll be super dark. Super light. Mix in a bit of Sam's real dark.
Yeah. But also you guys can head to our Instagrams to see our final looks because I'm excited to see it all come together. This is us like fully before.
I feel like you guys look pretty similar on your Instagrams as you do in real life.
You look better in real life.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you're pretty in your pictures, 100%. But like,
oh, thank you.
That's
really nice.
You're better in real life, and I think you're better in real life too. Because pictures can't pick up mannerisms. Like genuinely. Yeah. Like my favorite thing about you guys are your mannerisms. Not even your face.
I have the same mannerisms as my dad.
No, you have the mannerisms of like your mum. You're very proper and
no.
Like,
I feel like I have my dad how I tell stories.
Oh, maybe how you tell stories. But
you're similar to your dad, but you do not have your dad's mannerisms. You definitely are like very like your mum in that.
You're very proper and ladylike and like pretty. Holly, you're like really not even in it.
Bleep.
I think I've just done this all in such a weird order. I haven't
Tell
done
me
it.
when you're baking.
I'm baking.
You're baking now?
Yeah, I haven't done any of my cream bronzer.
Alright.
I've really screwed up. I feel the pressure. I haven't worn makeup in a few days, so I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna bake like quite a lot of my face today, I think, so that it lasts. So I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. I should have thought about it. I actually have nothing to ask. How did we meet, Laura?
We all met at school.
Met at school, yeah. And Holly?
Yeah, school.
School.
weren't best friends
No.
for like the first 4 years of knowing each other.
Yeah, so basically...
We were friends, we all knew each other.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we all would like, we all went to the same school and would hang out a bit, but it was more me and Daisy and these two were best friends. Sorry, me and Daisy were best friends, these two were best friends. And then we actually went to it's called Subski. It's like a college/uni ski trip. I'm using Max Give Me Sun. And that's what we were all in the same dorm and we all went together, and then after that we became like full best friends after school. So it wasn't really in school that we became.
Well, in school we became like close friends towards the end, and we were close friends earlier in
year 7, yeah.
But we weren't close until outside of school.
See,
I'd never been to your house.
I think I spoke 2 words to Holly.
I remember in year 8 going to your house and you like straightened my hair and we like put on makeup and like took photos in our school uniform.
With Mickey. Oh my god, love Mickey.
Oh.
She would do my makeup when we would go to parties, and I just always looked so much older than I was because I tried to copy Mickey.
Except for the time that you wore white lipstick to that party.
I had like,
I mean,
what?
You had the
party.
confidence. It's like impressive. In the early years, I remember wearing makeup and like always trying to like hide it, and Sam would walk in and just be like, start a trend, and everyone would be like, oh, so it's okay to wear blue mascara. It looked bad on everyone else.
But I went through phases. I would wear pink eyeshadow, but not pink eyeshadow in a way that I knew how to do it. It was like pink eyeshadow with like pink mascara and it looked like I had pink eye. Or like I went to like a party and wore white lipstick, and I had like, it made my teeth look fully just yellow. Like you look back at photos and my teeth are like bright yellow.
You also never had an awkward phase. Like you think you had an awkward phase, but compared to the rest of us, you never went through an awkward phase.
I think I went through an awkward phase in primary school. I had braces and like the awkward plaits and the fringe and stuff in primary school.
But that's like cute awkward. I feel like I got to the stage where in like year 8, year 9, I was like pimply, like I don't know, just real like braces then.
See, I don't remember anyone as having awkward stages. Maybe if you look back at photos,
and
but I don't remember.
I don't know. Yeah, neither. I think my awkward stage was just like me being
awkward
weirdo.
Yeah,
Holly was. Oh yeah. Basically,
Holly was a psycho in school. Like honestly.
A psycho. I'd wear like shoelaces as like fashion, like around my like leg tied. Weirdest stuff.
I couldn't deal with her. I was like, this chick is nuts.
I wouldn't even be friends with. Like I was weird.
I thought you were so cool because you were crazy.
Thanks.
Yeah, I think
I'm still crazy, but
yeah, but you used to be insane.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any favorite makeup products that you could recommend?
Makeup, not makeup products, but the tanning drops.
Oh yeah, so you know how
so
in my last vlog or last few vlogs I had the Isle of Paradise face drops where I had like a really tanned face. Yesterday Laura was saying, oh my god, I've been using these amazing tan drops, and I was like, is it Isle of Paradise? And she was like,
so good.
Yeah, they're really good. I ended up using it again after that time just to see if it was less subtle. I mean, sorry, not as intense, and it was. You just can't sleep in it, or you can't use too much of it.
I slept in it,
and I used too much.
I used 2 drops.
See,
I was like, I want to be orange.
Oh my god, I probably used like way too many. I don't even remember how many I used, but I woke up and my face was just like on another level. Like it was just orange as well. Like it didn't even go tanned, it just went orange. But you live and you learn.
How long have we given ourselves to get ready?
We've got ages. Our hair appointment's at 11.
Woo!
I feel like I can't breathe. I really like got butterflies.
Dude.
Today.
Oh, today.
Oh.
Like, I just don't know what to expect.
It's honestly so much fun.
How much are drinks?
Really expensive.
So expensive.
So you definitely want to stock up at Prees. So who are you guys excited to see?
Kid Cudi.
Yeah.
Khalid.
Yeah.
And, oh my gosh, every time I say it, Bazzi.
Bazzi, oh yeah,
there we
Bazzi,
go.
yeah.
I love him. And who else was I saying, Hole?
Billie Eilish would be really cool.
Yeah.
And you were saying
I'm excited for Zed.
Zed would be amazing.
I feel like I wrote it down.
Tame Impala will be awesome. I'm really excited for Rufus as well.
Yeah, Rufus
will be wild. Wild. Look, guys, my camera's flashing.
Jaden Smith.
I love that.
Jaden. He said cruises in. Oh my god, the song of Europe.
Oh my god, we need to play that before we leave. Guys, my camera's flashing.
He's on today. Oh no.
I love that for me. That's such a good YouTuber move of me.
I know.
I'm so good at this.
Well, you are while you film.
No, you can't, but that's right. If it dies, I'll just come back and say goodbye at the end. We'll just keep doing our makeup and then we'll show you our final.
Oh my god, so I'm baking. This is
one of the cans.
One of our cans.
Our cans.
I'll drink if you make.
Can I get the drink cans?
Yeah. Let's start with the raspberry one.
Okay, Hol, what do you want?
I'll start with that then.
Oh my god, I'm going too fast now. I know I'm not gonna like my makeup.
I'm going quite slow.
Yeah, I'm like almost done.
I just
I've got extensions.
Oh shit, I have to
So
put
I'm done in
lashes
like
on.
a second.
Oh my god, I'm going way too slow.
Yeah, you're like sitting here.
I'm like taking my sweet ass time. Can we just...
Guys, if we die and then I come back doing my lips at the end, it's because if we die, don't be alarmed. We might just die.
It's fine.
This is the absolute mess that we have created so far. Just a little bit of makeup between three.
I love that.
So as I suspected, my camera died mid doing our makeup, so we're just gonna go get our hair done, and I think I'm just gonna come back at the end and show you guys the lip and then my outfit and things. So it's a little mini get ready with me, plus just I'll show you the finished result as well. So, okay guys, so I have got my hair done by Emma Chen, but these are my Zala hair extensions and I'm obsessed with them. They are so nice. I'm gonna just finish off with my lips now, and I figured it would be a perfect time to tell you guys about the new MAC stripped down shades. So MAC has just literally launched a whole bunch of new, because they've got like every nude you could imagine. They are the best nudes in the world, as I've said like 100 times at this point, because you guys know Velvet Teddy's my favorite. My new favorite is also what's it called? My favorite lip liner as well, and Strip Down and Soar. There's Boldly Bare. They just have the best nude lipsticks. So they've got a new bunch of them that I figured I wanted to try out today. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna have a look. So one of the new lipsticks is Down to Art, which is this, it's almost like a bit more of like a pinky berry nude, like that. They've got Cherish, which I feel like definitely isn't, I feel like that's not new because I love Cherish. I wore this the other day. That's just above it. It's much more of a muted nude. As you can see, that's definitely right up my alley. I think I'm gonna wear Cherish today. And then we've got Smoked Almond. And this one's a little bit darker. I'll put this one below. Darker again and pinkier. So they've got a whole range of shades. Literally, if you guys want to watch my Tokyo vlog, I show at the end of my video all my favorite MAC nudes. They have the best nude lipsticks, in my opinion, on the market. So I'm gonna wear Cherish, but I'm gonna line my lips. The good thing about it is that they have like a nude for every single skin tone, which is amazing. So there's not just one nude that suits everyone. They've got something that will fit everyone, and I think that's amazing. So I'm gonna use Whirl. Whirl's my favorite. I should use a mirror. I can't see it in my viewfinder. In my opinion, of all the MAC lip pencils, I think Whirl is the best. And then I'm gonna put Cherish on. And it'll just, Whirl's a little darker and Cherish is lighter. And they're really comfortable, which is amazing because I find liquid lipsticks can be quite drying, whereas these lipsticks are super comfortable. Laura looks incredible.
Sam,
she looks like a pixie. And then look how good that vine is. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this outfit. She looks like a fairy. So thank you for watching our little get ready with us. Holly's not here, but she's gone to get her hair done. So, but we love you.